Welcome to Boom 50 Fitness. My name is Regan, and today let's squat till we drop. 5 minutes only. All right, let's go. Squat till you drop. 5 minutes only. Take the feet just a little bit wider than shoulder width apart, and we're gonna sit down deep, pressing through the heels, squeezing the booty at the top from the side. This is what your squat should look like. Now, if you can't get down this low, it's okay. Just go a little bit lower than you think you can. And then every single repetition, just try to get a little bit lower. Relaxing your face. I'm fumbling my words already, and we're just starting. Good thing is, it's only 5 minutes. You should be able to wiggle your toes at any time through the exercise. Drop it low. Inhale down, big exhale up. Boom. Weight in those heels, come on. You can wiggle those toes like I said. Relax that face, shoulders are down. Tummy is tight, squeezing the butt so tight at the top each and every time. 4 more. 3, 2, now hold it down low, hold it there, and give me 10 pulses. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it up, shake it out real quick. We're gonna squat to a leg out. Watch me. Squat, leg out. Make sure you flex that foot when you push off. You're squatting down just as low as that basic squat. Squat, back. Yes. Breathe. Don't let those shoulders creep up by your ears. You got this. We got this together. Your heart rate is going to go up slightly because we're working large muscle groups, so that's okay. We like it that way. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Shake it out. We're gonna do the same thing, but we're gonna take the leg back. Watch me. Squat, leg back. Squat, leg back. So I'm not bringing it straight back. I'm bringing it back at an angle. I slipped in one of those out to the sides. Caught myself. Come on, get low, low, low. So why do we want to keep the abs so tight? Because it's going to support our low back here. Drop it. Drop it. Come on. So here you're gonna get some little booty action, little extra booty action with that leg back. 2 more. Shake it out. All right, now squat, leg across, in front. Here we go. Squat, leg across. Squat, leg across. Now, we're getting a little inner thigh action. Your adductors. We got it, we got it. Oh my gosh. We're well over halfway there. You're breathing. I know. Drop it, cross it. Get lower, cross. Yes, you can. 4, 3, 2, and 1. All right, we're going really wide. I call it a ballet squat. Drop it down, squeeze the butt. Some people call it a sumo squat. Sometimes I call it a froggy squat. But the toes are out. Your feet are now wider than shoulder width. You're still dropping low. You're still squeezing the booty. Drop. Yes, you're breathing. Feels so good to work so hard. So this is a great workout on top of whatever you did today. It's like a little bonus booty. 8 more. 7, 6, 5, wrapping it up soon. 3, 2, now hold it down on this one. Bring it down low and pulse it. Pulse, pulse. Come on, lower. You got it, you got it. Stay with me, come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! You did it. Shake out those legs. And I'll see you next time for 5-minute workouts. I hope you loved that workout. If you did, you know just what to do.